Optics, beta. Ray optics or geometrical optics particulation. In this one, we'll be studying the first about your reflection, beta. Okay. So see the first one, beta.
Yes.
Concept of your reflection of your light. Concept of your reflection of your light. What is the light? Light is a form of energy which makes the object visible to our eye. Is it clear? What is a light? Light is nothing
Yes,
but light is nothing but of your form of your energy which makes the object visible to our eyes.
visible.
The branch of the physics which is related to the nature of light, its properties, its effects and vision is called as of your optics. Is called as of what? Optics particulation. Optics, the branch of the physics which deals which is related to the nature of the physics or nature of your light, its properties, effects and vision is known as of your optics. In our syllabus, beta, optics has been bifurcated into two parts, beta. The first one is known as of your geometrical optics. Another one is known as physical optics or wave optics. Okay. So geometrical optics deals in which the wavelength of the light is much smaller than the size of obstacle. This is a very important point you need to remember, beta. In geometrical optics, what is the basic condition? Wavelength of light, whatever we are here, is very much smaller than the size of your obstacle. Is very much smaller than your obstacle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this one we will be
studying. So it is not collided by any particle.
No, in this one we are talking about particle nature only, but the size of that one is very much smaller than the size of obstacle. Okay, now. So the wavelength of the light, if it is striking the human being, the wavelength of human being is much larger compared to the wavelength of your light. So wavelength of the light is much smaller than the size of your obstacles. Okay. Yes, because of that only the image formation will be taking place. So we'll be talking about the image formation, we'll be talking about reflection, we'll be talking about refraction, and we also talk about your dispersion in the ray optics. In the ray optics, we'll be studying this all things in detail. Okay. In physical optics, we'll be studying about interference, diffraction, and as well as of your polarization. Next one. Light is what, beta? An electromagnetic wave which requires no medium for its propagation, beta. Light is an electromagnetic wave. That means it is having a combination of both electric field and magnetic field. It is a combination of both electric and as well as of your magnetic field. Isn't it? It is something like this. If this is your y-axis particulation and this is your x-axis. So in this one, there is one wave which will be moving in your y-axis like this. And there will be another wave which is moving along your x-axis like this.
Okay, sir.
Like this. Okay, one is vertical, another is in horizontal direction. This is in the horizontal direction right now. This is in the horizontal direction. This one is in the vertical direction. Okay, so it is a combination of both electric field and vertical field. If I am taking the electric field as EY, this will become for me how much for me or BX. Resultant moving along your z-axis particulation like that. If I take IJK, you know the vector components, beta. This is your I. And this is your J, and this one is K. If I know in two directions, I can calculate the direction of other one. So if it is moving in cap, so I cap across J cap will give me what? Your K cap.
K cap.
The same way J cap across of your K cap will give me what, beta? I cap. If one wave is in y-axis, another wave is in z-axis, the resultant wave will be moving along your positive x-axis like that.
Exactly. Yes.
Light is what? An electromagnetic wave which requires no medium for its propagation. Its speed in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, and transverse in nature. It is your transverse in your nature particulation. Okay. And it can be polarized. Polarized means what, beta? Like say if we are having electric and magnetic, I can make only electric to pass or only magnetic to pass. Isn't it? That is called as what? Polarization.
Polarization.
If there is an electric field and magnetic field both data, so if I am having an ability that I can cut only the electric field and I can make only the magnetic field to pass through the given section, then that is called as what? Polarized. Cutting.
Yes.
Half cheyadam. Half one unte daniki half cheyadam. Okala half unte daniki inka half cheyadam. Alla. So polarizing means having only some part of the light but not the complete part of a light is called as polarization. That we'll try to do in the wave optics in detail.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so light is what? An electromagnetic wave which requires no medium for its propagation. Its speed in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second and transverse in nature, and it can be polarized and it is not deflected by the electric and magnetic field. Make sure of that one. It is not.
Sir, so it can be polarized means it can be only magnetic or only.
ఓన్లీ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్, మనకి ఏది కావాలంటే అది తీసుకోవచ్చు.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that we are having in detail phenomena that we'll try to do in the wave optics chapter. Okay, and direction judo.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
electric field is in the x-axis like I cap, and magnetic field is on j cap. The resultant wave will be moving in this direction, but k cap.
Okay.
Got it? Sure. Now,
Yes.
wavelength of light. The wavelength of the light or visible light is in the range of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The wavelength of the light or visible light is in what range, beta? 400 nanometer
400 to
700
700.
nanometer. When light
So this is only the WebGR, right, sir? The rainbow colors.
yeah, WebGR, I can say WebGR part of
Yeah.
it. Okay, so when the light passes from one medium to another medium, its frequency and color does not change. When light passes from one medium to another medium, what will not change, beta? Its frequency will not change, its color will not change. The frequency will depend upon the source, beta. The
Okay,
frequency
sir.
will come upon the source. Only if source is changing, then only frequency will change, and then only color will change.
Okay, sir.
Like say sun.
Sir.
For us, the sun is source. Sun నుంచి
Yes.
వచ్చే లైట్ మనకు ఎప్పుడు కాన్స్టెంట్.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర సన్ నుంచి వచ్చే లైట్ చేంజ్ అవ్వాలంటే సన్ బదులు మనం ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ సన్ యూజ్ చేయాలా, లేకపోతే మూన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, లైక్ ద చైనా దే ఆర్ యూజింగ్.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So it can, if the frequency and the color is depending upon what, beta? Source. The frequency will change only if the source is changing.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు WebGR ఉందనుకో, the light is always WebGR for me, even after 400 years after me, or maybe 1 crore years after me. For us, the sun is our source.
Yes,
so from that one, the light which is coming is always will be WebGR.
Yes, sir.
So the WebGR will be changing only if the sun is not our source. Okay na? Sun
Yes, sir.
మనకి ఏదైనా source వచ్చిందనుకో, then only the color phenomena, everything will be changing. So for us, the light is right now. So that means what you mean to say, whenever a light is passing from one medium to another medium, like say air to water, water to kerosene, kerosene to glycerin, glycerin to air, anything. So whenever it is entering from one medium to another medium particulation, what are not changing means frequency is not going to change, color
Frequency
is
and
not going to change, velocity will change, and wavelength will change. Okay na?
Okay, sir. Velocity and yes, sir.
Wave will be velocity, and as well as of your wavelength will change. So is equals to n into lambda. This will come in the wave chapter, beta. But right now, remember, v is your wave velocity, n is frequency, lambda is wavelength. If frequency is constant, so v is directly proportional to wavelength, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? Chalo. Visible of an object from all direction is due to what? Scattering of a light. Because if you take a candle and keep in a room,
Collide.
light will be coming in all the directions, or it is only going in the front direction.
All the direct.
Dark room, and you're taking the candle in that room. So will you see the light is passing only in the front direction, or will also travel in almost all the directions?
All the directions.
All the directions, kada. Unless until
Yes,
there's no opaque object, it will try to, if you keep in a room and move away. So the complete room will get the light, or only one part of the room will get a light?
For optics.
Is better?
For optics, sir. For optics.
If you take a light, if you take a candle and keep in a dark room at the center, will the light move only in the front direction?
It will all sides.
Then will come the light.
All sides, sir. All
All the
directions.
sides there will be a light. That is the reason. That is what is the phenomenon for that one, beta? Scattering of a light.
Scattering.
Okay. Now the substance which will pass
Yes.
most of the incident light through them is called was transparent. Which will pass partially light is known as translucent, and which do not pass the light through them is called as of what? Opaque.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo. Loss of
Yes, sir.
the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal of to the reflecting surface will lie in the same plane. See this one. This is a plane of your surface, beta. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal. All of them are lying in the same direction. This is your incident ray. This is your reflected ray, and this is your normal. All of them are lying in the one single plane. So this is your one single plane. This is dotted line to draw just vertical. Incident ray is in the same plane. Vertical reflected ray is in the same plane. Normal is also in the same plane. So for this one, we are having one relation that angle of incidence will be equal to your angle of reflection. Valid, even valid for the curved surface. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So now it is all like, say if this is a curved surface, this is center of the curved surface. If you draw the normal first passing through the center, whenever you're drawing the ray diagram, curved surface is key. First draw the normal which exactly passes through the center of the circle. Then draw the incident ray with the normal. If the angle of incidence with the normal is 30
Yes,
degrees,
sir.
angle of reflection will become 30 degrees. So angles are always measured from
30 degrees. Same.
your normal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means for the curved surface, it will always
Yes, sir.
pass through where with a center. Like say, if this is this object right now, this is a plane mirror. Where will be the normal for this one beta? This perpendicular will be the normal,
Center, sir.
90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
If this is a circle right now like
Yes,
this,
sir.
okay. Now if this is a circle and this is
Yes,
your
sir.
center, and say for example, this is your aperture or center part. I've taken the reflecting surface on
Yes, sir.
outside. How to draw the normal for this one? From center part affiliation, you try to draw a normal like this,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So whenever a ray of light is incidenting on this one like this is the pole, this will be the eye, this will be the reflected part.
Reflection, that is the normal.
Yeah, this will be the angle of reflection, this will be the angle of your refraction. Is it clear?
Incidence.
So how do you
Yes,
draw
sir.
normal beta? Normal should always pass through the center. Normal should always pass through the center part of reflection. For
Center.
the surface, it will be making an angle of 90 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, now angle of incidence and refraction are same, sir.
Recording అవుతుందా?
Yes, sir. Outing, sir. Sir, now the angle of incidence and refraction are same, sir.
No, refraction is different again. Refraction, they are not same.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Moving into other medium, no? So angle of incidence is not equal to angle of refraction. Here R is your what? Reflection.
Reflection. Yes.
We're talking about in this topic right now, totally reflection. We're not talking
Okay,
about
sir.
single point about here refraction here right now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sure.
Sir, now you've told China has, have they launched it
Uh,
yet, sir? Means
yeah, but I heard
I
that
read it that they were about to
artificial moon so that they are getting light bulge, but still
own.
it is under the process of working phenomenon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir. Artificial moon, right, sir? They were telling
Moon, not sir. Artificial moon.
3 artificial moons or something.
Hmm. Sure. Next slide heading beta. Reflection from plane surface. Reflection from a plane surface. You're talking about here only plane mirrors beta. Still we need to even talk about your curved mirrors like convex mirror and concave mirror.
Yes, sir.
So in the plane mirrors, you remember that the general plane mirrors, whatever we use in our homes beta, the image formed by the plane mirror is always erect, virtual and same side. Like say when you stand in front of a mirror, your left appears right and right appears left or not?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Will your size will be changing or it will be remaining same? Like if you are 5 feet, 6 feet, will it be showing the 6 feet or it will be showing 12 feet to you?
6 feet only, sir. Same thing.
That means the size will always remain the same. So I can say that
Yes, sir.
right now there point is very important. The image formed by plane mirror.
Sir, your voice is a bit breaking, sir. Means it's fading away and coming, sir.
Yeah, maybe net problem. Just check it out. Chalo. Reflection from your plane mirror. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. It is okay, sir.
Okay, sir. The reflection formed by plane mirror. The reflection formed by plane mirror is always
Inverted.
erect, is virtual
Inverted also.
size and of same size. And of same size of object. So image formed by the plane mirror is always what beta? It is erect, virtual, and of the same size as that of your object part affiliation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me draw the diagram for this one.
And that too it's inverted, right, sir?
Yeah, it is erect virtual. It is not inverted. When you're standing in front of your mirror, are you getting your image inverted? ఉల్టా కనిపిస్తుందా నువ్వు తల కిందకి
అంటే
కాలు పైకి కనిపిస్తుందా కనిపించదు కదా
not vertically, sir. అంటే our left right right
virtual. It is an erect.
virtual
It is virtual. That means left
virtual,
appears right
yes,
and right appears left.
left. Okay,
But
that is virtual, sir. Okay,
virtual means on other side, isn't it?
okay, okay, sir.
The plane mirror, it is always erect and it's not inverted. It is always
Yes,
erect.
sir.
It is on virtual and
So
it is on.
inverted is the wrong word, right, sir?
Yeah.
అంటే నేను
So
చెప్-
I can
yes,
say
okay, sir.
this is a plane mirror like this. Okay. Now somewhere here is your object. This is your principal axis. This is your object, beta. This is your object. From this one, a ray of light will incident on this one, beta, normal, and it will be coming back same. Another ray of light will be incident on this one like this straight line. Another ray of light will be incident on this one in a straight line. After reflection, what happens? It will get reflect right now here. Because we need to draw a normal for this one. Draw a normal perpendicular with whatever angle it is incident, with the same angle it will try to reflect back. So here also it is reflecting basically. Okay. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
the object. From this object, when ray of light is being incident, if I extend this one in the backward direction, beta. So this is the image formation, and this is your image formation. So this is your formation of your image. Is it clear?
Yes,
So here is your object. Where is image forming? Image formation is on another side, Gada.
virtual. Yes, sir.
For this
Virtual,
reason,
sir.
I am getting this image as of your virtual. Object will be what? Real. Object will be real. Image will be your virtual. Is it clear?
Virtual.
This one is your mirror. This one is your mirror. Is it clear? And you also know that whatever is the distance of
Yes,
object,
sir.
if the distance is nothing but of your d, image distance will also be equal to your d beta.
Same D.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Size will remain for me same, but only thing is object will be changing. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, I'll draw the one more diagram for you. Let's see here. Now, if I take an extended object in front of your plane mirror, this is the principal axis. If object standing here is like this, okay, like say I'm standing here, A and B is my height. Okay, this is your object O. So first ray of light will pass through this one beta. This ray of light will incident on this one like this. Okay, the another
Yes.
ray of light will pass through the center like this. The ray of light which is passing from the center, whatever angle the pole it is incident, it will be reflected by the same. This angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. This is incident normal gravity. This image formation will be at the same position. You extend this one right now here, the image formation will be taking place here. So this will become for me how much here? A dash, and this will be your B dash. And the distance from here to here, if it is your D, isn't it? This distance will also be your D.
D.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? So extended object is also right now, it is getting only laterally inverted, but everything will remain formed. So image formation by a plane mirror, if I am taking image formation by your plane mirror is always what beta? It is always erect, it is virtual, and it is of same size, I can say. It is always erect, virtual, and it is of same size. Is that clear? Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Point number 2, you see. The image formed by the plane mirror is laterally inverted. The image formed by plane mirror is laterally inverted. That means what? If you might have been seen anytime an optician who is ophthalmologist,
Yes.
you might have been seeing the A to Z on his board.
Yes,
Isn't
sir. Yes, sir.
Like
Yeah,
this.
he writes it. Means it's actually not. They're inverted, but again in the mirror they look correct. Right?
Let's say, isn't it? See here, if I'm taking a letter P right now here in front of this, okay, it will appear to be reverse for me. So here it
Yes,
will
sir.
appear
This
to
side to this side. Sir, we can say the అంటే అంబులెన్స్ మీద రాసి ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
ambulance runner adding reason ఏంటంటే when it can be seen through the mirror, it can appear
Will
to
be
be
proper.
the reason we write in the inverted for that.
Yes.
So the image formed by the plane mirror is is inverted and it is always your virtual. It is on other side. This is a real, another will be your virtual.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if say for example, if there is a V, doesn't make any difference for the V. For T,
No sir.
for
It
T
will be
also
same.
doesn't make any difference. There are some
Yes sir.
letters whose images will not change. Out of 46 alphabets, we are having 11 alphabets beta that have the mirror images and they exactly replica అవుతుంది.
Yes sir.
Isn't it? Like A is exactly replica, H is an
Yes.
exact replica. So I can say that out of 26 alphabets,
W also sir.
we have
V
here
W.
11 alphabets. We have 11 alphabets. 11 alphabets have their mirror images. Have their mirror images same. Okay, one is your A, another one is
H I
another one is your I. Next one is
T.
O is also same. T
Yes
is
sir.
also same. U, V, W,
X.
and Y.
Yes sir.
These are the letters which are having the mirror images. Is that clear?
Sir, Y will change, right sir?
What beta? Why will
Y.
not? Why ఇట్లా రాసాం కదా it will why
Okay,
must
straight గా రాసుకోవాలి సార్ కిందది.
you write in another part. Yeah,
Okay sir.
if you write like this, why
Okay sir.
it will not change.
Yes.
Okay na?
Yes sir.
The same way. See, whenever you're taking the time beta, the time also appears to be inverted in the mirror beta.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
The sum of the time shown by the clock and in image is right now inverse of what beta? 12 o'clock only. Like say, if the clock shows 8:40, its mirror image will be equal to how much beta?
8:40. It will be 3. It will be 4 sir.
Okay. If clock shows time 8:40,
It will show 4:20 sir.
its mirror image will be will show, we'll be writing like this 12.00 or 12.60, sorry, not 00, 12, sorry, it is written as 11.60. 11.60. అంతే కదా?
Mirror image will show 11
hours. Now you do the minus 8:40 from this one.
Okay, this is okay 11. Okay sir, we have to minus it.
Minus of your 8:40.
Yes
minus
sir.
of your 8:40. So what will be the answer?
Sir 320 sir.
320.
Okay, 8 అంటే అక్కడ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 9 వరకు వస్తుంది కదా సార్. Yes.
Got the idea?
Yes sir.
Whenever you get the time, you need to do always like this.
11:60 minus the given time, right
Yeah,
sir?
because 11 hours 60 minutes. 12
Until 12 o'clock. Yes sir.
11.60.
Yes sir. Got it sir.
Got it now? Sure.
Yes sir.
Very good. Next one. Now see here. In front end of object beta, whenever an object moves from a plane mirror with a speed u, the image will also approach at the same speed u with respect to stationary observer. But the speed of the image with respect to object will be changing.
Sir, ఒకసారి repeat చేయండి.
I'll show you. Say for example, this is your mirror. This is your mirror, and here is your object. This is your object. Okay, if object is moving with a velocity of your u, and I'm standing somewhere here and seeing this situation. Okay, now for me, this is your mirror beta, and for me, the image is formed to be seen here right now, and image also approaches with the same speed in the opposite direction like this. So if an object
Yes sir.
moves towards or away from the plane mirror with a speed of your u, the image will also approach or recede at the same speed.
Same speed. Yes sir.
Toward a stationary observer, with respect to what? Stationary observer. But
Got
the
it.
speed of image with respect to object will be equal to your how much? So if I'm writing right now here, the speed of the speed of image with respect to object will be how much? Object will be how much it will be? So he is moving with you minus of minus u relative velocity kada?
Yes, sir.
That will appear to be how much better? 2u.
2u, sir.
That means if a mirror is moving with a speed, with respect to the observer, it is u. But with respect to object, the speed of image with respect to object will be equal to how much for me? 2u. Like see, if I write still more clearly, velocity of your, if I write here right now like this, velocity of your image with respect to observer, like this, no? Relative
Yes,
velocity.
sir.
So we'll be writing this one, velocity of your image minus velocity of object. Oh, no? That
Yes,
means
sir.
velocity of image is how much? U minus velocity of object is what? Opposite to the velocity of image, kada?
Yes, sir.
That is the reason I'm getting how much for me?
Okay. Yes, sir. 2u.
Is it clear? So the speed of image with respect to object will be 2u, but the speed of the image with respect to stationary observer will be your u only. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is like say this fellow is a, isn't it? So now if I ask you, what is the velocity of your a with respect to your velocity of your image with respect to observer? So velocity of your image, velocity of image with respect to your a. So how do you write velocity of your image minus
Image
velocity
minus
of object
a.
a? A is at rest,
Yes.
kada. So that will be equal to vi only, na? Minus 0. So that will be equal to vi only.
Vi. Yes, sir.
Velocity of vi will be equal to your. So that means velocity of image with respect to stationary observer will be equal to your u only.
U only. Yes, sir.
Here,
Yes, sir.
I hope you got a rough idea related to this one. So the
Yes,
speed
sir.
of your image with respect to object will be 2u. So this is a proof how I got right now. Velocity of image with respect to u. Velocity
Okay,
of image with respect to your a. A is stationary beta. See in diagram. In the A diagram, it is right now. It is taken as of your stationaries. Velocity
stationary object.
is equals to 0. Stationary.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Sure. We have a lot of number of numericals on this one, but I will try to do once the concept is clear for us. Okay. So fifth point,
Yes.
very important. Very important. What do you mean by deviation? What do you mean by deviation? Like say, we generally use the basic word deviation even in regular life also. Array, you are deviating from your studies and parents.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The deviating means you are changing your path. Your path is to
Yes, sir.
something else and you are moving in something else, isn't it? So if I say that if you have been changed your path from studying to some XYZ to area, so we'll always calculate that how much you have been deviated from the initial position.
Yes.
If you have a study room in your home, generally the parents or your brothers, sisters might be expecting that you might be studying. Like say, without telling them, if you're going to a playground and trying to play in the study hours, you have got deviated from your studies. Gada.
Studies. Yes, sir. Changing my path.
Been wasted. Like say, if you, I told you that you need to have a study hour from 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock, you have studied from 2 to 4 and 4 to 5 you have gone for the playing. That means you have been deviated from your studies for how many hours? 1 hour will be telling.
1 hour. Yes, sir.
Got 1 hour. Total initial, what is the initial way of the studying? That is 3 hours. From the 3 hours, I am subtracting the 1 hour which you have been deviated. That is the reason I'm getting 2 hours.
Yes.
Same thing is deviation here. Deviation is the angle made by the incident ray with your final ray. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Roughly I'll tell you. See, roughly I'll tell you. Then we'll try to make you right now. See here, I'm explaining it very detailedly. So try to understand this one carefully here. Like say for example, this is your some plane mirror. Okay, and this
Sir,
one,
but deviation only occurs when there is an other particle which comes in, right, sir?
other region. Whenever there is another region, like say this is a plane mirror right now, and this is your normal gada. An ray of
Yes.
light has been incident on this one like this. Say for example, a ray of light has been incident. Actually, path gonna click a point. This should have been gone in a straight line.
Yes, sir.
But now because of this obstacle of a plane mirror, it has been deflected.
Reflected.
So this one is what I told you, reflected ray. And this one what I told you, this one is your incident ray.
Incident.
This angle is how much for me? I. This angle is how much for me?
R.
This total angle was supposed to be how much better? 180 degrees.
180, sir. Yes, sir.
So how much it is being deviated means what will do? Angle made by the
180 minus R.
reflected here is known as deviation represented by dot.
Okay. 180 minus R, sir.
180 minus enter.
R, sir.
R in the go.
The 180
deviation dow gada.
Yes, sir.
That angle is not from where? I to this dotted line, na? So dow,
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
got it?
Sir, once can you repeat that, sir?
Okay, I value if it is theta beta. What is the
Yes,
angle
sir.
of deviation? You see, angle of deviation. I'm writing the definition. So the angle made by incident light beta. Incident light with a reflected or refracted ray. Reflected or refracted ray is called deviation. Here we are dealing only with the reflection gabati. This is the angle of incident gada. If angle of
Yes.
incident is not there, we need to extend that ray of light beta. See, from this what I did, I had extended the ray of light. I made that angle, the deviation from the angle of incident into the reflected ray. So the deviation dow will be equal to how much beta? So it is dow will be equal to total angle is 180 minus I
180 minus R.
R.
Okay, I plus R. Yes, sir.
I plus R gada.
Yes.
Here I plus R means what? I and R are same gada.
Yes, sir. Equal.
I and
So
R is right now
2I or 2R.
let's say for example, I is equals to theta and R is equals to theta. So I'll be writing this one as 180
2T.
minus of your 2 theta.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is your deviation formula. Dow is equals to your 180 minus of your 2 theta. Is that clear?
Yes.
What is the deviation? So the angle made by your incident light with your reflected or with your refracted ray is called as of your deviation. Huh?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Last update, I had to phone you. सबसे वेट करूं अब आता जब आता चलो my daughter has completely dropped my phone into the water lane.
Ayyo. Ante, is it working, sir?
I don't know. It is not working, then 50,000 loss. Completely
Yes, sir.
water bottle. I don't know what. Chalo. So what is the deviation, beta? Deviation is nothing but angle made by the incident light with the reflected or with the refracted ray is called as deviation. So the deviation equals to what, beta? 180 degrees minus I plus R. If I'm taking I value as theta and R value as theta, then deviation will be equal to how much, beta?
180 minus 2 theta.
2 theta. Is that clear? Have you got
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Let us try to deal some more examples related to this one. I don't know why it is every time going up. Okay, these are two mirrors, beta, which are making an angle of 90 degrees to each other like this. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So this is one mirror here, so it is silvered outside. If it is silvered outside, that is called as of your mirror. And this one is one mirror which is being kept along your y-axis like this. Clear? This is a mirror,
Yes, sir.
for example, M1, and this is the mirror, say for example, M2. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm saying that a ray of light is being incident on this one like this. Okay, this is the ray
Yes,
of
sir.
light which is being incident on this one. Then from this one, the ray of light is being reflected, beta, and it has been gone from here to this one like this. Clear? So this one
Yes.
is which is being reflected here right now like this. Okay. Now first what we'll do, we'll try to draw a normal right now here. This is your
Yes.
normal. This angle, if it is theta, so this angle will also will become for me theta.
Theta. Yes.
isn't it? Again, how do you draw the normal for this one? You draw a normal right now for this one like this. And for this mirror M2, this is yellow, this green light is incident beta.
Yes, sir.
So if this is theta here right now what will be this angle right now? Say beta, if this is your theta and this one is your 90, and this one is also say for example some theta. Okay, so this angle will become how much for me? If this is your theta right now for me,
That is also theta.
this will become how much?
90 minus theta.
90 minus theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now take the reflected from here. This was the ray of light which has been reflected finally. Isn't it? So first ray of
Yes,
light
sir.
incident on the mirror M1. Second, it has been reflected from the mirror M1 and it has been incident on the mirror M2. That means see, reflected ray of the first mirror is acting as incident ray of light for the second mirror.
Second mirror. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Reflected ray of the first mirror is acting as incident for your second mirror.
Second.
If this angle is right now 90 minus theta, this angle is also here how much beta?
90 minus.
Your theta. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
tell me
sir.
what is the deviation? You need to tell me the deviation. What is the deviation? Can you try to tell me the deviation also? Try it. Angle made by the incident with the reflected. Here right now this is your incident beta.
Yes, sir.
And here this one is what? Reflected.
Reflected. Yes, sir.
Now how do you draw the in the deviation? You need to extend the incident ray of light like this.
Yes, sir.
The angle made by this incident with this reflected is known as deviation. Here it is
Yes,
down.
sir. Down. Yes, sir.
Now, in the same way here right now, for this ray of light, I need to extend this ray of light like this.
Yes, sir.
Now, from this extended ray of light, if you make an angle with the reflected, here this will be equal to dow 2. Kabatti. For this one, this will be reflected, Gada.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Now, for the mirror M2, reflected ray of the first one will be acting as incident ray of light. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So, is the deviation clear better for you?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many deviations you are getting?
2, sir.
2 deviations. Are they in the same direction or opposite direction?
Opposite direction.
Opposite direction. Very good. So if I'm talking about deviation at M1, so how much it will be beta? Dow 1 will be equal to 180.
180 minus 2 theta. Yes, sir.
180 minus of your 2 theta. The same way.
Yes,
If
sir.
I'm talking about deviation at your M2. Deviation at your M2 will be equal to how much beta? Dow 2 will be equal to your. Can you tell me?
Sir, 180 minus
180 minus this will be 90
minus theta plus
90 minus theta. So
Yes,
that
sir.
will be equal to 90 and 90, 180. 180, 180 will get cancelled. Minus
Yes.
theta, I'll remove the bracket. That will become for me plus. So this will become how much for me? 2 theta.
2 theta. Yes.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir. ఇప్పుడు అంటే 90 plus 90, 180. So this is negative, right, sir? So 180 and 180 cancel అయిపోతుంది.
Yeah.
And then after removing the bracket, okay, plus
This will be plus 2 theta.
will
అంతేనా?
become, yes, sir.
180, 180 will get cancelled. So this will become for me 2 theta.
Yes.
So net
Got it.
deviation will be equal to how much beta? So total deviation will be equal to total deviation.
Dow 1 plus dow 2.
Deviation dow will be equal to your dow 1 plus of your dow 2. Both of them are in same
180, sir.
so I'm adding them. So that will be
Yes.
equal to how much? 180 minus of 2 theta plus
Plus
this
2.
2 theta. So that will
2
be
theta cancel.
2 theta and 2 theta will get cancelled. So
Yes.
dow net will be equal to dow net
180
will be
degrees.
equal to your 180.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, so if what if dow 1 and dow 2 are in the same direction, sir?
Dow and dow 2 are in same direction. That is added. If they are in opposite direction, we
Opposite
do subtraction.
subtract. And opposite until like negative and positive sides. Is it like that?
If I'm taking the anti-clockwise direction positive, you take
Okay, yes.
negative.
Got it, sir.
Like say we are having more than 2-3 deviations, plus 4 deviations వచ్చాయి అనుకో.
అవును, sir.
3 deviations are in clockwise and 1 deviation is anti-clockwise. So all
Yes,
the
sir.
directions you add it, you minus the another one in that.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that was about your deviation story. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us try to do one more application based on this one. Okay. Yeah. Ready? Yeah. You can put it there for you. This shape again.
Sir, it's working, sir, your phone?
I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let's say there are two mirrors like this bit, which are making an angle of your theta between them. There is nothing but theta.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now this is your mirror right now here, silvered like this. And this one is also your silvered right now. Okay.
Sir, it's not coming on the screen, sir.
Hmm?
స్క్రీన్ మీద ఏం పడట్లేదు సార్ ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది సార్
Maybe it is getting stuck. I think so.
ఎస్ సార్ that's what some lag is there sir.
Lag అవుతుందా?
Yes sir. ఇప్పుడు లైక్ ఒక కొన్ని few lines are come sir.
Might be net problem.
Yes sir.
Two mirrors are there, beta. This one is say for example of your M1. This one is say for example mirror M. And this one is normal for me.
Sir, it got disconnected sir. You got disconnected and now again it came sir.
Is beta?
And then you got disconnected sir. Now you're again back. Now you came sir.
Okay, fine. This one is theta if all the sides are same. And this one is say for example of your alpha. So this angle will be equal to how much beta? 90 minus alpha.
Yes sir.
So this angle will also will become for me how much? 90 minus of alpha. 90 minus alpha, no? Theta kada ikkada theta minus alpha అవుతుంది.
Sir, screen sharing కాలేదు sir.
This is alpha, isn't it? 1, 2, and this is theta. And this angle with respect to this one is say for example here theta minus alpha. Some angle I'm giving you. This angle is also your theta minus of your alpha. Okay, see the first condition. First ray of light is coming parallel to the second mirror beta. And after reflection, the final reflected ray is going parallel to the first mirror. Here, red light is parallel to your M2 and green light is parallel to your M1, final green light. Okay, na?
Sir, actually it's not coming sir. Your screen has not shared here.
Now, beta.
No sir, it's not sharing sir.
It's very weak. Okay, we'll make it then later better. Now it is, I think it is also completed.
Yes, sir. Sir, but today's class we did
What we did is today in your college better.
sir, actually we have our unit test